Hi, testing. Can you hear me? Hi, can you hear my beautiful voice? Hi, guys. So today we are gonna do what I eat in a day to look this good, baby. I'll tell you one thing. You're gonna starve. Just kidding. No, oh my gosh. My good health has been on point. So I usually like to start off the AM. All this is real talk right now. It's 1:33. I have not had breakfast. I'm not gonna lie. Have I had a nap? Allegedly. It's the AM. I'm gonna go work out. I'm having a chill day today. I'm not under any pressure. I'm not in a rush to get to the gym, so I'm just taking it all in. A slow morning, no pasa nada. I'm starting off with some hot water and chia seeds. Nothing crazy. I love chia seeds. Texture is not a weird thing for me. Sauce. Perfect way to keep you full. I personally like to work out on an empty stomach just because I do like to do cardio and I don't like to feel nasty later. But I plan to lift a little heavy today. So we're going to carb up a little bit before the gym. But once I get that chia water out of the way, I like to start off with a coconut coat spoonful every morning. This one is a new jar. I've been on this for a long time. If you have me on anything, I've been on it for a long time. We're gonna start off with our spoonful. Is it bad? How would you know if it's bad? It's already fermented. I feel like they're usually not like this. And they're so expensive. I have my spoonful. Me personally, the strawberry one is my favorite. I've only had the chocolate and the coconut one. The chocolate one, if I need to get it, the coconut one, and I love coconut. Next thing we're gonna have is some sea moss. This one is in mango. I've had passion fruit, and I think it was like the spirulina one. I want to say that's how you say it. English is my second language. Don't come for me. To be honest, I like the mango one the most. It's so good. The passion fruit one was okay. And then you're gonna eat 2 spoonfuls, but it's so good. Like I said, I'm not a texture person, nothing like that. No soy delicada. That doesn't weird me out until my parents are chefs. But anyways, my pops is cutting the yard on his day off, as a man should. Seriously, he's a real one. But I'm gonna eat a piece of toast before the gym that my sister made. Production! He always tells me, debes de hacer videos. Ahí está la feria. This and that. And I'm like, okay, lo voy a hacer. What is he doing right now que estoy haciendo videos? Cutting the yarda. He wants me to freaking retire him. And you need to help production. But anyways, back to the point. My sister made some cinnamon raisin bread the other day and me mandó some, and I don't want it to go bad. I'm finishing it up. She sent me a piece. And so I'm going to have this with some cottage cheese for the gym. And then you could add a little bit of maple syrup or something. I don't have any rice cakes right now. That's why I'm using the bread. But usually I would do this on a rice cake. But just some cottage cheese. Bomb. This one is really good. Where the fudge is the agave. And then I'm going to add a little bit of agave to it. A light drizzle. Thank you. And then, you know what? I'm like, oh, it sounds good. Right? Imagine I do videos like that. I could. You guys know I would make money, but I'm trying to be a good girl. I'm trying to get paid being modest. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Some cinnamon polvo. I love cinnamon. Cheers. Okay, let's hit the gym. I don't like Tito Doble P. It triggers me. O tú, bien dañado. No es tan malo como tú. Teniendo novio, buscas otro vato. Ay, amor. ¿Por qué eres tan grosero? Ay, no. Le falta amor, le falta amor. I'm at the gym. I already drank this. I didn't show you guys, but I took this from my house. This is called Fit. I got these at Costco. Sunberry Fit. It's a sparkling energy juice. It's mango. I love it. It has natural. It has electrolytes. It's plant-based. I think it's 120 milligrams of organic caffeine. It only has 20 grams or 20 calories, 4 grams of sugar, which is pretty good. The ingredients are pretty good as well. I think most of its caffeine comes from green tea. So I finished this. It was actually super yummy. And now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go work out. And so I don't think I'm gonna film inside the gym today, because I think I'm gonna film tomorrow at the gym over there that I'm going to. So for now, let's hit the gym. This is the juice. Dummy. But I'm in a good ass mood. I've been getting hella views on my story, and I went private on IG, and honestly it is so relaxing not looking to see who the fuck is watching my fucking stories, because besides knowing who isn't fucking watching my stories, it's just a really good time. But on Snapchat I got freaking 17k views the other day, and I was like, dang, who are all these people? Who's all single here or what? Let's get to know each other. Just kidding. I would never ever take a man on Snapchat serious. A man on Snapchat is as a dog ass. I'm like the Palm Springs of Yakima. Not bad, huh? I got me fucked up all the way over here. I'm gonna tell you that. Got me fucked up. Tell you that much. I'm over here trying to go see J. Cole in LA. So I'm like, anybody, I know he's coming to Oakland, and I got family out there, so I'm like, do I see him in Oakland? Do I see him in LA? What do I do? Because I'm free. I do whatever I want to do. That's why I'm like, I'll be doing what I want. I'm going to do what I want. And now I'm going to go hit the gym because I need to do that. Bye. Alrighty. We are back and better than ever. Lighting is definitely not in my favor, but I have my lunch already planned and prepped. So I had meal prep yesterday, so I'm gonna eat that for lunch, and I'm gonna set it up. But I just got back from the gym, and it's like, what, it's 6 o'clock. I haven't ate, I'm starving. So savory girl snacks. I have some cherry tomatoes from our garden, and then I'm using pickles. And then I have some carrots, and then I have these like turkey pepperonis. I love these for snacking, but also for making pizzas. And then I have this, I have Italian dry salami light. It's 70 calories for 6, and then this one, I think it's 70 calories for 16, so you get quite a bit. And then I usually, I'm gonna have a light cheese stick as well, low calorie. And then I usually have some thin crackers, like a rosemary or sea salt. I don't have any right now, so I just found these crackers, so I'm gonna have that because I need a crunch in my life. But no dressing, nothing like that. Just honestly savory bomb texture. Let's see. I love pickles. I love carrots. These are so yummy. And then these are from my garden. Amazing. So that's me for right now. And then I'm gonna reheat my food from yesterday, which is like a Chipotle bowl inspo. So let's do that. Alrighty, we're gonna have lunch. I think it's 7. It's dinner. This is pretty much dinner, honestly, because I'm pretty sure after this I'm gonna be really full and I have a lot of work to do. So I'm wrapping it up with this. I'm probably gonna have fruit later tonight. But we have Chipotle bowls at home. I have black beans, cilantro, lime rice, some chicken. I have a piece and a half just because I'm not really wanting a lot of carne. I have some bell peppers roasted with onion, the corn salsa, pico de gallo, lechuga, jalapenos, a slice of limon. I'm going to add a little bit of tortilla chips to it, only because I don't like the chips I have. And then I have right here just it looks ugly. It's just guacamole, and then some Greek yogurt as my sour cream. Yes, that's the phase we're in right now. Third Stanley of the day. And for drinks, I'm going to have a papaya juice. I love this juice. But I'm going to mix it with coconut water. I'm going to see how I feel about it together, because I love coconut water with carrot juice. But this is super yummy. I get it at, again, like those natural organic stores. So good. Let's open it up for you guys. You guys ready? I love it. I'm gonna go eat before I faint. Bye. All right, it's about 8-ish. I'm just gonna shower. I have some laptop work to do, so all I'm gonna be snacking on from here on out is some agua organic raspberries from the garden, and then also plums from the garden. So I love fruit. Dinner was amazing. I'm ready for bed. I gotta wake up hell early mañana, and I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, so y'all will see the vlog. Y'all gonna see what we up to. Bye. So with that being said, that concludes today's video on what do I eat in a day. Like I said, we're gonna look on point. I'm trying to go see Karol G. Well, not I'm trying. I am gonna go see her because I have tickets to go see her in October. So snatch she will be. Okay. And I think I want to make my own fit. So snatch she is. So I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.